Hi guys, so yeah, welcome back to the channel, and for today's K-pop react, we're gonna be reacting Stray Kids on their new music video. It's called Thunderous. So yeah, wait, that's not it. Yep, Thunderous. So yeah, let's do it. So yeah, I actually did a reaction video to Stray Kids back then when I was starting my YouTube channel. One of the music video I reacted was Backdoors. Yeah, Backdoors. So yeah, go check it out. But I have to warn you, the quality video was a bit shit than now. So yeah, watch it with precaution. That's what I'm asking. So yeah, I haven't really. I'm not really like. I'm not saying that I'm addicted to Stray Kids, but I watch them from time to time. So yeah, I'm just like any normal person. I just watch all the K-pop music videos, but I don't really like addicted to liking them. But I respect them. Yeah. And for my bias for Stray Kids, you know, I don't really have a bias. It's just that the one that I've been listening and I've been watching at the Instagram and TikTok was mostly Hyunjin. So yeah, from there, if I had to choose someone, I would choose Hyunjin. So yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong. I mean, there are other members also popping up from TikTok and Instagram. It's just that I think Hyunjin was the most pop-up one in my Instagram. So yeah, I hope you guys can respect that and don't hate me. So yeah, when I heard that they were releasing a Thunderous, when I heard that they were releasing a new comeback release, I forgot already. I thought it would be a good opportunity for me to react more to Stray Kids. So yeah, I actually really like God's Menu. It's just that I don't know why I missed it. I feel like I just want to react to God's Menu. It's just that I want to react, but you guys can leave in the comments if you want me to react to God's Menu. So yeah, but for the time being, we're just gonna react to Thunderous. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, very powerful introduction and some animation. Yo, Changbin. Alright, Han, we're going back to the dynasty. Oh, Felix with the long hair, I like it. Oh, Eugene, bro. Yo, I don't know what to say, but I actually kind of like it. Bang Chan with the orange hair, yeah. There you go. Felix, Hyunjin, bye. Yo, Ian, Lino. What am I doing? Alright, Felix. Oh, this is powerful, bro. Alright, Hyunjin, do your thing. Alright, Lino, sing me. Woo! Oh, Han spitting the vibes. Woo! Oh, this is nice, bro. Alright, Superman, do your thing. Alright, Bachan, Felix. My boy Han is looking nice. Woo! I don't know what the hell is going on. Ooh, alright. Oh, this is Felix moment. Oh. I don't know what the hell. Hyunjin with the hat. That was a nice transition though. Bring that house down. I said bring the house down, guys. Wow. What the hell? What just happened, guys? Damn! Someone call the police, because that was dangerous. That was dangerous. That was... I don't know if kids are allowed to watch that, but... Oh, the song was thunderous. It got me lightning everywhere, you know that? But yeah, that was Stray Kids on the new release Thunderous, and yo, I'm getting shot by lightning soon. It's just that I was zapped away. I was really like into it. Every moment of it, there was no chilling. That they didn't give me time to relax. From the beginning, the animation introduction was quite shock me. Yeah, shock me. But yeah, I had a good time, you know. Oh, I don't know which one is more powerful. Is it this one, Backdoors, or God's Menu? I mean, God's Menu was my favorite, and when I listen to this, I don't know if I should make this one my first favorite list in Stray Kids. My favorite personal list. But yeah, I had a good time actually. And just so you know, I just woke up, and I should have been doing this the day that they released. It's just that I was tired, so yeah. Oh, imagine what happened if I delay longer. I don't know what I've been missing out. Everyone was great. Everyone was good. Everyone played their part and everything. Even I don't know if I should pick Hyunjin in this video. It's just that all of them like, you know, shock me. So yeah. Oh damn. Yo, we gotta react. I gotta react more to Stray Kids. You know, not disrespect. It's just that you know what, man. I need more Stray Kids videos though. So yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching me reacting to Stray Kids on the new music video Thunderous. Yep, feel the thunder. So yeah. Leave in the comments below what you think about this video, and if you want me to react to more Stray Kids, just leave in the comments below. And if you want me to react to more new K-pop music videos, also just leave in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you on the next K-pop reaction. This is your boy Nick. Take care and annyeong.